Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
What? What changes have been done to that? So then that from the workflow, that is that configuration tool also, we can able to get, there is no need to go and create a. Yeah, there's no need to, because there only who has modified it. When it has been modified, what changes it has been done? Everything will be coming. Okay, and apart from that also you can go here, but I think you can get the report from there also. Okay, go to manager. Yeah, you can go to manager request and you can check from your end if the workflow is completed or not. Okay. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Yeah, there you can able to go and check. Because I don't think for the workflow changes and everything that is for specific workflow when you are discussing, so that it is not required to go and create a report from here. Hello, I'm still not able to. Yes, you know. Okay, so try from your end. I think that will be sufficient, because the report is something where you are going for all the workflows or something where you want to take some report or something. Workflow is a foundation object, so you can go here also. You can see you have an option here. When you're going and creating a report in the table report only, a foundation object will be there. Yeah, right. So all foundation objects will be coming, but it is related to the workflow, right? So foundation object means you will be getting event results, workflows, everything will be coming. So if I go here, so this is something. So if I'm going to the columns, selecting the column. Workflow. So you can go here and you can select external code. So what is the name of the workflow? Some code and name will be there, right? Excellent. And name description is also most importantly, you can create a combination of this workflow. Contributor is required or not. Or, in that, what are the details you require that you need to select? Here, when you select here, this only gives you the list of the workflows. But if you go into Manage Workflow, yes. If I go to Manage Workflow Request, so you can select the request type or something and request status. If I'm selecting as a pending, well, when you go into the 40 days, yes, these are the logs which you can find exactly for that specific part. Changes has been made. Who has made the changes? Changes can be carried by the approval. There will not be any specific person. Okay, yeah. And one more thing. If a workflow is being triggered and being approved, workflow always work with the employee related. Workflow always work with the help of the business. Okay. So once the workflow is being completed and you want to track the workflow log, you can also try to take from the rule trace also. We have a concept of rule trace. So, from there also, you can able to go and take. Otherwise the workflow which has been completed from there also, suppose, if I'm going here and the workflow is completed, I have taken. I have taken the status as a pending. Let me take as a completed. Manage workflow. The first. I. Okay. So here I am going to the server. And the question status on the table was completed. And I'm searching for it. So here also suppose for the particular workflow. If I'm just going in. Who has performed it? What has been performed? Changes has been done. That is also shown here. For the completed. So from the workflow request you can get more details. Sorry for your end. Yeah. So, coming into our back to the report center, that was something which we have done for higher end exit. With the help of table report for the canvas. Let's take a scenario where we want to go and create the report for the compensation information of an employee. So how we will go and create? So the steps I will be following. So that you can see the steps of where I'm going. Click on the canvas, select. OK. Click on Create. Compared to ad hoc and table. Ad hoc table report. This canvas report. It is a bit slow. Now the other step is to click on table. You can see here list of report. Drag and drop it. When you drag and drop it here, you can see edit query is coming. Click on the edit query. You will find two things. One is detailed report and advanced reporting. You have to click on advanced reporting and click on new. It is more important to know the steps. If you know the steps, any scenario you can able to go and create. You can find the detailed report and advanced reporting. OK. Click on the advanced reporting. Click on need. OK. Now what we need to do? We have to click on here. How we have selected the domain. You can see all domains will be showing here. OK. So what we need to do? You get for employment. And select that employment one. Employment. Click on the employment. So when you are going into this page, you can find result, object and column. These are the three tabs you can find. OK. So, whatever the creation of the report which we are doing, that is under object and we can see the result immediately. What is the output? OK. So now under the employment, you can see global job information. So when you click on here, in the drop down you can find all the fields will be there.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.